Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing the 300's headlights. So if y'all seen in the last video, I needed some of those JST connector extensions. Well, I couldn't find any that I needed, or that were long enough that I needed. So we're here at O'Reilly's. I'm going to run in here and see if we can find some butt connectors or the little solder connectors or something, because I really don't like soldering. I've never really been good at it. So I'm going to run in here and see if they have any of them little solder connectors, or just a regular butt connector that's small enough to work on those, and possibly some wire. I might have some wire at the house, but we'll run here and see what they have, and we'll go from there. But we're going to try to get those installed in the car tonight. It's, you can see there, it's 5:19. So we got about maybe an hour, if we're lucky, of sunlight left. So let's run in here and see what they got. Also, guys, one more thing that I thought I would throw in the video here. So I'm filming this video, I think today is March 10th or so. I tried to get a bunch of videos stacked up, that way we could go do something for my birthday. And I think, if I remember correctly, this video should go up on my birthday, April 6th. If you ever wondered where the 4-6 comes from in the YouTube and Instagram username, that's what it is. It just so happens the white truck has a 4-6, but April 6th, 4-6, is my birthday. But I just thought I'd throw that in here real quick. But anyway, let's run in here and we'll see what they got. Alrighty, guys, so we were able to pick up some regular butt connectors, and I figured what my grandpa was saying was you could take the little wires here and you can fold them over, and they should be fine with these little connectors. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this projector back into the headlight, get this all buttoned back up, and then we'll run out here and hopefully we can get these installed before it gets too dark on us. So let's get after it. Alright, so this is what we're working with. So we have the splitter here. Now, I couldn't find another one of these with the other connector. I actually couldn't find any at all. So what we did is I depinned the connector here, and we cut these. So we're going to put new wire in, like you see on this one here, and we're going to go from there. I need to individually tape these because I think I nicked a couple of them down in there, but we'll do that here in a minute. So not too worried about that. Yeah, like this one nicked right there. It'll focus right there. So we'll get these all figured out. I need to go measure, see exactly how long I need them, and we will trim our long wires here. Alright, guys, so it is well, it's now dark, so we're not going to get to install these today. I wish I could just pull the car up in the shop, but there's a bunch of lumber and a bunch of stuff in there, so we can't get the car in there anyway. But what we have here is our splitter, goes on to this headlight on the passenger side, and the reason for that being is because the passenger side is where that little stud is for the power, and then we'll have to find a ground. But I figured this could just run right up and over, so it should be good to go with that. And then on the other side, it comes down around and then into the headlight. We just tested these out. They work fine. Everything works. And if we hook this up, if I can do this one-handed, I will show y'all. But if not, I'll put a video in here. But we just tested them a minute ago. So here we go. So there they go. Now I'm not making real good contact here. But anyway, they do work. I did test them. You can see there. In 1 second, I'll put them on the different modes. Alright, So here we go on the different modes, but you can see they do work correctly, both of them together. And they look super good. Yeah, there's a little dirt that got in here. That seems to happen every time I take the projectors in and out of these, because there's dust. You can see this little bit of dust here from the screws of the projectors, but it's not a big deal. It'll all kind of settle as time goes along. But anyway, guys, so there's that. And I guess we will catch y'all tomorrow. I need to order some wire loom as well to put this stuff in. We did tape it over here and then here at the connection. But I do want to get some wire loom to put this in. We just won't get to right now, so I'll have to order some. But there they are. So I guess I will catch y'all tomorrow, and we'll get these installed in the car and hopefully all wired up and ready to go. Alright guys, so it's now the next day. We're gonna go ahead, start throwing everything in. So I got this one plugged up, make sure high and lows work. Make sure I didn't get them backwards. They're good. I can go ahead, throw this headlight in real quick. I can get access to that one, but this one I'm gonna have to fish the wires around before I bolt the headlight in. So I'm gonna go ahead, get this one bolted up, and then we'll move over to this side. Alrighty guys, so both headlights are in. I tested both of them. High beams work, low beams work. Everything works. So now what I've done is I run our wiring up down through here, around, along with our factory harness, and then over. Now, I do need to get some loom. I talked about that, I think, in the last video. I did order some, but it won't be here till sometime next week. So this is not permanent. This will get tidied up and cleaned up and whatnot, and so will this down here. But we're talking about getting rain here, so I'm kind of in a hurry anyway, because tonight we have a funeral visitation. Tomorrow we have a funeral. It's supposed to rain the next 5 days, and I have some decals and some stuff to mail out here in a little bit. So I'm in a bit of a hurry, and I need to get all cleaned up for that. But I did get our ends cramped on here, 13 mil, and then I think I'm going to try to ground it either here on this fender bolt, there on that fender bolt, or to this factory ground over here if the wire is long enough to reach. Alright guys, so it's getting darker, but we have power, we have ground. I got that zip tied up, kind of out of the way. And we step back here, we have demon eyes. So I'm gonna shut the hood, back the car up, and we will get a little better picture of them. Alright guys, so here we go. We got red, blue, or green, blue, and white. So it messes me up. I'm used to RGB. Well, most remotes, if I remember correctly, were red, blue, green. But anyway, we got red, we got green, we got blue, and we got white. So all these work just fine. And then you can turn them off, obviously. So there we go, guys. I guess I don't remember what time we have to go to that visitation, but I will try to get a clip for y'all with these things after dark, and we will take a look. But until then, I'm gonna run up here at the house. I'm gonna hang out a bit, waiting for the guy with the decal and whatnot. So I'll see what he's got going. I need to get cleaned up for that, and then, like I said, I guess depending on what time we leave or what time we get back, I will try to get some clips for you guys with these. at night, and we'll see how they look. But if nothing else, we can get some kind of when it's starting to get dark, but not exactly dark yet. We'll figure it out. But one cool thing also with these, I mean, you have the little remote, but you also have a Bluetooth app on your phone that you can download. I don't know if there's more modes and settings and stuff on there that you can play with, but I'm going to find out. I'm going to play with that here in a minute, and we will see what we got. But open this, get some air in here. Anyway, I guess, yeah, by the time y'all are seeing this, this video should go up on my birthday, April 6th. So if it seems a little weird that a lot of the weather and the videos are the same, like back to back to back, that's because I'm trying to get a bunch of videos lined out. That way we can go do something for my birthday, and I ain't got to worry about having videos up for you guys. So I've been busy making videos, especially now that the 6.0 is back. I can do stuff. But yeah, I mean, I guess that's it. So hopefully we can get this car finished up. I've been waiting to put the front bumper on after we get these, but I don't know if we're gonna paint the bumper on the car or off the car. We'll just have to see with that, but we're not gonna paint the car right now because it's weather. It's actually pretty nice outside, but the rain, so you can see there, 63 degrees here in Arkansas, but it's really not bad. Feels really nice out here. Got the little bit of wind blowing and stuff, but I've been trying to get a list together of some stuff to finish this car up. I believe the inside is buttoned up. I think everything in here is good. We need to paint the front end. We need to fix the side skirts right here. We need to fix the door. There's some damage on the rear bumper. I don't know if we're going to do that quite yet. We might wait until summertime. I can drive the car a little more and get to know the car and that kind of thing. Make sure it's a good car. And then we can do that later in the summer. That's not a big deal. It's just a little repair with it on one of the corners. But what else? We have to put the strut over here and then a bunch of little finish out stuff. So anyway, I guess, guys, I'll catch y'all here in a little bit, and we'll look at these things in either the dark or getting dark. Alrighty, guys, so we're back here at the house, but got my remote here that you can't see. Let's step up here and have a look. So we got red, green, green's bright, blue, white, and they look really good. So one more thing is you can dim these. You can see there and turn them up bright. But anyway, so this is what I was talking about with putting the strips on the bottom. But there we go. So again, we got red, green, blue, and white. And I know you can't see it. Well, yeah, you can. You can see my shadow here in the wall of the house. So these things are stupid bright. But anyway, guys, I won't turn them off and call it a day. So we just got home, and I still have some stuff to do, but I'm gonna call it here. So if you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody has a great day. Stay tuned. I would like to do more of this simple stuff. Hopefully here very soon. So y'all stay tuned. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will catch y'all on the next one.